Wow, guys, look what's going on here on a Monday afternoon. Oh my goodness. A lot of snow. This is what New York City looking like.
Heavy.
Yep, it's getting heavy now.
It's not light anymore. Last night was light, not now.
Look, even the shed is having a lot of snow. Wow, guys, be careful out there. It's very dangerous out here. Okay, guys, this is the outside.
Oh, that's a moron.
Where is all this snow gonna go?
You gotta go over there. Where do you think he's gonna go?
Whew. Vikash, where are you? Vikash, what are you building there, boy? Oh my goodness. You can't show no more.
Watch it there. What the hell wrong with you?
Hey, don't say.
Hello, guys. Give you guys a little view of the road. No one is outside. It's just us. We're going to get some food. Because if we do Uber Eats, it's going to be a long wait. So, you know, it's going to be like at least 2 hours wait. So I said, let me go out there and see what's going on. You know what I mean? A lot of people, sorry for them guys who got to shovel out. Ay, ay, ay. I know they're probably gonna be in for the whole week inside, unless they got help, you know. Grandkids, son, family members. This is on 205 Street, guys. Going on Hillside. Only when I come outside I get this cough. I guess the cold, but you know, you got no choice, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, a lot of pile. You gotta go slow. It's very slippery. Oh, that's right. Like I think we didn't use the car. You know what I mean? You probably would have got stuck. You right? Chinese? Well, we'll find out if they open. Yeah, look, people stopping out for food. And by the way, they open school back tomorrow. I don't know the reason for that. With all these snow, I don't know who's gonna show them kids gonna walk. Who's gonna shovel all this, the sidewalk. They should have the remote at home. I don't see the big deal. I don't know, man. These people, coming up with some weird things. Then half kids gonna be late, gonna get stuck, gonna get hurt. They gotta walk. Yeah, you know, I feel sorry for these kids. A lot of them gotta walk in, out. Snow blower.
Guys, left on the snow blower here and shovel.
Oh yeah, I guess stuck.
Too much of sun.
Oh, you got a snow blower there? Yeah, man. Keep it moving, boy. Yep, yep. Put on your gloves there, buddy. Gonna be cold. Where's my feet? It's cold.
You probably get ice inside.
Ice.
Look
I
at
did
the
already.
outside. Clear as hell, right?
Think anybody wants to be out here on this? Oh man.
So today,
I know.
to do shopping and grocery and stuff.
See town closed. Look at that.
See that close?
I guess, right? First time I see that place closed.
I think so.
Yeah. I'll pass by there just now.
Slip there just now, right?
Slippery. I guess we'll do delivery or
I guess delivery.
right, because they're not too sure what they want. How am I gonna get in there now? There's a walkway there.
Okay guys, I'm on hillside. We have everything here. Beauty place. There is a Chase Bank. Road is so shine, guys. 99-cent store. A lot of food places around here. Just Halal, Krung, Panda. They have Jamaica Best over there, which is closed. Yeah. A little view of hillside, guys. And you guys, please show some love. Please subscribe and like, follow, thumbs up, anything. Okay guys, have a good night and stay warm. Thank you. Bye.